Here how you can buy the baby Saitama Inu coin using Trust Wallet. So first you need to go to the search engine, Google, Bing or whatever search engine you are using. Simply write baby Saitama Inu coin. After that visit this website coin market cap. Simply I click here. After that we need to go to the scroll down. We need to find the exchanges, okay, where this is listed. This is listed in Uniswap and other two exchanges. Let me check. So here you can watch. So this is listed on indoxxt.com too. We can buy from there, but here I'm going to using the Uniswap because it is listed on Trust Wallet. So how we can buy? So first we need to check how much baby Saitama Inu we can buy from $1. We can buy that much coin, but we need to pay extra for gas fees. So how we can do that? To simply go to Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet, and after that we need to buy the BNB. Okay, you can buy BNB. Just wait. Okay, BNB. We can simply buy BNB or a smart chain, whatever you want. You can, because you can exchange it from there. Okay, so simply I go here, then click on D apps. After that scroll down, you can see here the popular section Uniswap exchanges. After that I click here and wait for a minute. Then you can select BNB or Ethereum, which one you want to which one you want to pay or add. Okay, so simply I select BNB. After that we need to go to the coin market cap again to copy the address of this token or a coin. Okay, so simply I copy from here, then select token, then paste address here. Okay, after that you can see here there is a baby Saitama Inu coin. Simply click on import. Let's check how much I can buy from 0.888888 BNB. Okay, so let me check. Okay, let me write 1. So it is not showing. I don't know what, I don't know why. Added by user. We can approx by around more than lakhs, if I'm not wrong, because I don't have that much BNB coin. That's why it is not showing. So let me select Ethereum. So you can see if I select Ethereum, from 1 Ethereum, that is equal to 4277 USD, I can buy that much coin. Okay, so it is loading, and okay, so it is loading. I don't have Ethereum, that's why it is showing like this. You can buy simply by following this step. If you like this, make sure to subscribe.